Hi, good morning you guys. So, I know I look really bad. I just woke up. It is currently Saturday. Wait, no, not Saturday. It is Friday, March 6th. It is 7:40 a.m. I went to bed at 11 o'clock last night. I stayed up and watched the Warriors against the Raptors. The Raptors won, but you know, respect to Stephen Curry. He is so cool. You know, like he's like one of the faces of the league. Gotta respect, you know, but Toronto, love Toronto. So happy they won. But today I have a lot of things to do, so that's why I had to get up so early, and I've been currently like the past half hour I've just been watching YouTube videos, so I knew it was finally time to get up and start getting ready for the day. But I need to start packing up my things, start putting them in boxes, especially my clothes and my makeup, and yeah, that's basically it. I'm not taking my books. I'm leaving my books here unless I have duplicates. Then I'm taking the duplicates over to the new house. For those of you who don't know, hi, I am actually moving. I also want to paint a wall in my room, like an accent wall. So, and I saw this really cool thing that Mr. Kate did with the Try Guys for their office, and I really liked it, and Eugene did it, and I love Eugene. I think he's so cute, so adorable. I of course want what I can't have. Yeah, I'm gonna try and recreate that wall, and it's kind of geometric, but with the colors that I want, my preference of colors. And I would have to say that my style in regards to designing a room is very edgy, modern farmhouse. Okay guys, so my makeup is done except for my lips and my mascara. I have come to a realization that I left my mascara in the car, so I'm gonna have to go out and get that really quickly, because your eyeliner without mascara just looks weird, you know? And I don't like the way my bangs are sitting right now. Like, ugh, I need to cut my hair again. I swear I just cut it 2 months ago. I get so frustrated with myself. Anyway, I'm gonna head upstairs for breakfast. So they had the remover in the office. I'm trying to balance this on a bunch of fruit. Not going very good. Not going very well. Oh, I can just put it on your collagen bottle. I think it's way too close. It's way too short.
That's what I'm saying.
I need some water. So far, this is what I'm eating. I'm having a little cutie. There's 2 pieces of toast, one with regular vegan butter, and then the other one with cream cheese and strawberry. I know. I forgot to get some water.
I thanked you already.
You did? I'm proud of you.
Are you going to take your own car, so are you going to do that after?
Yes. Yes, I am. You seriously didn't think I had eyeliner on, though?
Mm-mm.
Woman, what is up with you? See, this is terrible right here. The Raptors won! It was 121 points to 113.
You know, you said 21. They always scored. What do you mean?
I got 121 points to 113. They won. I also need to go and look at paint swatches today.
For what?
For my accent wall.
Oh, did she say you could do that?
Mm-hmm. I want them all to see a pretty little face.
She's alright.
Yeah. Anyway, and then today I also would like to start packing. You know? Just packing up some stuff. No. So I need to pack up clothes and shoes and makeup, and that's primarily it, you know? No, I want to recreate this one wall that Eugene from the Try Guys did in their office with the help of Mr. Kate.
Wait, what?
For my room, I want to recreate this geometric kind of wall that Eugene from the Try Guys did in their collaboration video redecorating their office with Mr. Kate. Mr. Kate is a YouTuber who's like kind of like Chip and Joanne Gaines, you know? Like they're really cool. They're this couple that, yeah, they're cute. I have this baby, his name is Moon. He's so cute. Okay, so I'm in the car driving over to Ent. I have my mascara yet to put it on. I'm gonna just put it there on at the parking lot over there, so it's fine. But basically I need this loan because I'm going for my master's and it's all online and it's a part of, yeah. So I need to get a loan and yeah. This should be interesting. And then I have to come back to my house, pick up my mom, and then we're going to be going to Ross. I need to go to another bank, and then at 3 o'clock I actually have to go to work at the hospital. So I'm off from the chiro, but not off from the actual hospital. So that's what's well, it's not frustrating, that's the downside of working like these 2 jobs on top of what I'm already like planning for myself, is that I don't have a day off at all from either job, you know. So, but I don't know, I'm trying to come up with a schedule for myself just to better organize my time, and Google Calendars is literally saving my life right now, because I would just be a disorganized mess if it weren't for my Google Calendar. So utilizing the heck out of that right now, and yeah, I'm just really needing to start packing up my stuff. It's about a week and a half till, oh my gosh, it's like 9 days, so it's less than 10 days till Brittany closes on the house and I finally get to see it, because I still have yet to see the inside of the house. I've only seen photos, so I'm excited. She and I are gonna paint the kitchen, and I don't know if, I still haven't talked to her about me vlogging like what she would be comfortable with, so we're gonna have to talk about that. And the weekend that we close on the house, so next weekend, we're actually going to be going shopping for kitchen stuff, so I might take you guys with me. Okay, so we are here and I will give you guys updates when we come out. I can't open the door.
I don't know.
I know, because Liz
Wait.
What?
Oh, you don't hit.
Wait.
This is bothering me.
What is wrong? Well, you did it.
I know, but it's...
Wait. Jeez.
So I hope they have your stuff still.
I do too. Here's hoping, seriously, you know?
Did you tell Brittany that's what you're getting?
No.
Oh, yeah.
So we are headed to Ross, and I have to go to the bank, and I also have to go to
you want to go to the bank
Lowe's.
first?
Sure.
Okay.
I also have to go to Lowe's.
Well, you know the colors you want, right?
And yeah, I do. And I'll show you like the video and everything of the Mr.
design?
Kate video with the Try Guys. Yeah, and Eugene did it. Yeah. Eugene has to be my favorite member of the Try Guys.
Look how cold I am.
Oh, you're nice.
I'm cold.
Nice. So we will see you guys when we're probably at Ross, you know? Yeah. So we are here at Ross. Hello, Mama. Hello. We are going to see what we could find, because, yeah. I really need, yeah. No, they were like right here. They're not there anymore. It's gone. Yeah, it's gone. Ugh.
Oh my God, your mom wasn't there. I thought you were there with us. Yeah, I walked.
How long has it been?
It's only been a few days. They don't have it, so it was a bust, you know? I'm gonna have to just get it online.
From afar, that's
I
pretty.
don't really like it as much. I don't like it as much as the other one, so no. You know, if I don't love it, I'm not gonna like it at home.
I'm thinking, wait.
Oof. So I am going to be taking these roses right here, because just because I didn't get my Notre Dame doesn't mean that I shouldn't take anything, and I think this is pretty still. Yeah. Out of everything, I like this one the best. And then I like this mirror, but I would have nowhere to put it, you know? So.
Oh, in the car?
No, like in the, I want to see the room first, so. Where are we, lady? Where are we?
Home Depot.
Heck
The
yeah. Why do you have to say that?
It says that.
Is the Home Depot?
Yep.
All right. Well, we're just here for paint swatches, and yes, I locked the car.
A few moments later.
So what we get, lady? We got these cute little succulents from bedside table. Show the other one. I think they're adorable. I like them. And then I'll show you the swatches when we get in the car, because this is way too hard right now. Do they not taste like pomegranates?
I don't know.
Okay. Anyway, we just got into the car from the Home Depot, and these are the colors that I picked basically for the wall. And I need to take out one of these two. I'm set on these three, but I need to pick between soft turquoise and rainwater. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Personally, I'm kind of leaning towards soft turquoise. What do you think? I was gonna do a car haul and everything of what I got at Ross, but it's fine. We do it later, you know?
I don't know what you got. Just the painting.
No, we got the painting and we got the knives.
Oh yeah.
You know? Yeah. No, I don't have a freezer bag. We have made it to Big Lots. I said no, I don't have one.
Oh, made it to Big Lots.
Look how pretty she is. Look at her long old hair. Dang.
Leave me alone.
Leave her alone. See, it's the same. They're just talking about financing with the card. Yeah. So this is the drawers that I'm gonna get. And then here's the bedside nightstand table that I'm also going to get. And I'm getting the white ones. I'm excited. So yeah, no, it's just for the financing. Yeah. So I'm gonna be getting this one. I know, we've already established that. And then I'm gonna be getting this one as well.
Today get the basket that goes under there?
It's all blurry, what the heck?
Huh? Did you want
Yeah, sure.
Let's go see what kind of baskets they have.
Okay, so I think we have decided on this one for this situation. And I like how that kind of matches the handle.
Tomorrow.
Wow, I can see Elizabeth's car from here.
Wow.
That's because it's clean.
Oh, yes, because you can see when it was dirty. Anyway, it is the next day. Wow, I didn't finish the vlog last night, so I'm going to finish it after we go antique shopping and everything. So I'm going to take you guys along with us. And it's super bright, so yeah, bye. I think these are cute. That one is so cute. To show the ones that you got. That one's for Tigger. That one.
Let's put yours at the top.
Yeah, that's totally. So far this is what I've gotten, and I also have a Journey vinyl record behind this, but I just don't want to make the effort to switch that out to show you. This reminds me of Xavier. Just these, yeah. I'm watching the Try Guys put on makeup, and we just got home, and I think this is a good sandwich. You don't like it? You don't like the sandwich? Oh my goodness. But yeah, I'm not gonna do much other than that. I'm just gonna, not gonna do much other than that. I'm just gonna put on makeup and go to work. So I'm gonna be ending the vlog here. I hope you all have an amazing day. Remember, you're all strong, articulate, independent individuals, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.